This is what it looks like when you cut through a bowling lane. This is pretty cool. I got this from a friend. Had a heck of a time getting through this stuff because you could see this stuff's like solid maple. It's kind of tongue and groove here too. I can show you kind of on the other side. I'm gonna use this for a tabletop, but take a look at that. Yeah, it looks like they've got nails. They got some trim right there where you can see a nail going that way, so I had to cut that way. There was a nail there, and there's a nail about every, I mean, I wonder how many nails are throughout. I bet it's a bunch. And it was fairly smooth through this section. You can see a nail right there. Look at that. Kind of neat though. I never knew how thick these things were, what they were made of, or what they look like. You can definitely see when you throw your bowling ball up in the air and it smashes down on this, it's not going to hurt this stuff a bit.